We start with Emirates Team New Zealand and the Horonuku land yacht. They plan to use it to update the world record for wind-powered land vehicle speed, which is now 126.1 miles per hour. The team's goal is 155 miles per hour. Carbon fiber was used as the main material to build the vessel. The sail height is 33 feet. The special counterweight is loaded with 661 to 2,425 pounds of cargo, allowing for efficient piloting in a variety of weather conditions. As a track, the team chose the Australian Salt Lake Gardner. However, there have been some difficulties. As of August the 12th, the required part of the lake is still filled with water. According to the team, they'll have to be patient. So, let's wish them luck and a successful new record. What is this hybrid between a quad bike and a car? The Quanta R. This is the name of a creation by Iron Custom Motors, which combines the fun of riding an ATV with the safety of a car. The characteristics of the Quanta R will surprise even the most sophisticated spectators. 5 power adjustment options, ranging from 350 to 600 horsepower. Acceleration to 62 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds. A top speed of 124 miles per hour. Methanol injection, custom-made suspension and ceramic brakes, and all of this with a weight of 1,653 pounds. The core of the vehicle is a tuned 153 cubic inch Subaru engine, coupled with a sporty automatic transmission. Of course, the design, reminiscent of superhero movies, attracts everyone's attention. The main color is matte black, which is supplemented with blue and yellow details. You'll be able to enjoy music while driving thanks to the Alpine Marine sound system on board. Nowadays, you can also relax on a hybrid flying hydrofoil yacht. According to the authors, it will interest everyone who's looking for family-friendly activities, a little thrill, and who also like James Bond movies. The yacht is called the Foiler, and its characteristics include a top speed of 46 miles per hour, a maximum range of 172 miles, and 2 V8 diesel engines of 370 horsepower each. In addition, the hydrofoils can be raised and lowered at the touch of a button. The model has a capacity of 8 people, and the design combines practicality, elegance, and the ability to rest comfortably while sitting or lying down. Several options of layouts for seats and loungers are available. You can also buy a fridge, a minibar, and other add-ons for the yacht. The price starts at $775,700. Apparently, that's partly why the payment is broken down into 5 installments. Electric vehicles for urban transportation, such as scooters, have become very trendy in recent years. The popularity of shared electric scooters is especially on the rise. Where there's demand, there is supply. That's why today's selection includes the Bull E. This electric scooter, which will be released in a limited edition of 250 units, allows to reconsider the principles of urban mobility, the designers believe. Customers will get a top speed of 28 miles per hour, a range of 31 miles on a single charge, and an unusual design from the Greek team Nikos Manafis. Standard features include an alarm system, LED fog lights, and a mount for an action camera or DVR. And a small but nice bonus is a unique authenticity plate. On the website of the project, you can pre-order the scooter at a price starting at $4,571. Remember the movie Taxi 3, where the protagonist swapped the wheels of his car for tracks? The creators of the Rockboard Descender off-road skateboard did almost the same thing. Now you can skate all year round. The dimensions of the 36-wheeled vehicle are 31 by 9 by 5.5 inches. The tracks are suitable for grass, dirt, and even snow, and are also good on asphalt. However, this skateboard has no engine, so the creators honestly admit that it's geared more for descents than for riding on flat areas. In addition, after all the improvements, the Rockboard Descender weighs a respectable 12.3 pounds, and it's still unclear whether you can perform tricks on it. The model is sold for about $120. This is the vehicle you get if you combine a motorboat and a trailer. The hybrid is called the Float Trailer 2069 and combines the best qualities of these two vehicles. The float trailer weighs about 5,800 pounds. It's 20 feet long and 7.4 feet wide. The transformation takes about 45 seconds. The body is made of welded aluminium, and the standard model comes with 14-inch wheels and disc brakes. Load capacity is 3,350 pounds in trailer mode and 2,450 pounds in boat mode. This is enough to carry a 115 horsepower Evinrude engine, fuel, water, food, and all the necessary accessories for a productive vacation, like fishing rods, mattresses, tents, and more. The only question we have is, how should you register the purchase, as a trailer or as a boat? Erasing the boundaries between mechanics, engineering, and sculpture? Easy. That's exactly what Doghead, a craftsman from Italy, does. He created a monster that combines features of a reptile, a horse, and a Decepticon. The weight of the model is 1,900 pounds. Parts of a car and several motorcycles were used in the construction. The engine's borrowed from a Citroën. It produces 26 horsepower and travel speed is about 0.6 miles per hour. On top of that, Doghead produces spectacular flames using propane. It took 4 months to build the vehicle and it cost $55,000. Next up is a creation of the River Simple team, which brought together engineers, designers, and even specialists from Formula One. This unusual car called Rasa stands out for its reliance on hydrogen fuel cells instead of batteries. The car has 4 in-wheel motors equipped with a brake energy recuperation system. The wheels are powered by an 8.5 kilowatt fuel cell unit, and the engineers put lithium capacitors as a buffer storage device. Range is about 300 miles, and the vehicle reaches up to 60 miles per hour. The car has a capacity of 2 people and weighs 1,279 pounds. The team's plans are as follows. Most of 2022 will be spent on testing, while raising funding for series production. If everything goes according to plan, they'll start assembly in 2023. They plan to make 5,000 cars per year. It's also known about River Simple's partnership with industrial giant Siemens. The Fiat 126P may seem unappealing and strange, but it was produced for 28 years. In total, more than 4.6 million copies were manufactured, among which there were some real unique units. For example, this one, a prototype invented back in the late 1970s. The original idea was to make a light all-terrain vehicle for power grid repair specialists. For this purpose, the wheels were replaced by tracks, the body was sealed, and the side doors were replaced by plexiglass covers. Weighing 1,323 pounds, the vehicle could not only drive off-road, but also float. However, capacity was reduced from 4 to 2 people. The prototype was completed in 1980, but mass production never started. China was interested in it, but problems with the tracks put an end to it. The excellent condition of the only existing model can be explained simply by the fact that it lives in a museum in Poland. The tests of the Tungus hovercraft amphibious vessel close our selection. This is an excellent solution for working in hard-to-reach regions, suitable for logistics, rescue, and other operations. The key point is the movement in 2 modes, on a static or dynamic air cushion. The first one is useful in areas requiring complex maneuvering. The second one for long-distance trips. Speeds are up to 56 and 124 miles respectively. Both cargo and passengers, up to 21 persons, can be carried. The range with the load up to a ton is 3,107 miles. The vehicle is capable of operating in a range from -40 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit, overcoming obstacles up to 49 feet high on land and snow. The price, which starts at $820,000, is also impressive.